Mnangagwa throws Chinamasa, Mutsvangwa under the bus. The 30th of August 2025. By a correspondent, President Emerson Mnangagwa has rebuked senior ZANU-PF officials Patrick Chinamasa and Christopher Mutsvangwa for issuing conflicting public statements, warning that factionalism and indiscipline would not be tolerated. Chairing the 386th Ordinary Session of the Politburo in Harare on Wednesday, Mnangagwa cautioned against abusing the party name to push personal agendas. Insiders described the address as the president reading the Riot Act to his top lieutenants amid mounting succession tensions. "We must all speak with one voice and march in one direction," Mnangagwa said. "Leaders of the party are bound by collective responsibility and must unite around party decisions and resolutions, which serve as our ideological and moral compass. Horodi zivinhu kumbakwako wonda achitor, sehirongwa hwemusangana. Our communication must be disciplined. Muzanu PF Tinamira Pachikwadi. ZVAITWA Pasi Nazvo." The warning followed weeks of contradictory statements over businessman KUTYA quash Tagwari's co-option into the Central Committee. Mutsvangwa recently dismissed the notion that Tagwari could buy his way to the top, insisting safeguards were in place to prevent such a rise. But Chinamasa contradicted him, writing on X that blocking Tagwari was futile, exposing rare public clashes at the heart of the ruling party. Although Mnangagwa did not name individuals, his remarks were widely interpreted as a rebuke to both men. Observers suggest the warning may also have been aimed at his deputy, Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, whose absence from the meeting, officially said to be due to business in India, fueled speculation of internal maneuvers. For years, ZANU-PF has been divided between Mnangagwa's camp and Chiwenga's military-aligned faction. Seen as a natural successor since his pivotal role in the 2017 coup that ousted Robert Mugabe, Chiwenga retains significant influence in the army and grassroots structures. His absence from Wednesday's meeting added to speculation that Mnangagwa's remarks were also directed at his camp. This is not the first time the president has used Politburo sessions to tighten his grip. Analysts note he often leverages such meetings to project authority, reprimand rivals, and frame the succession narrative, with Mnangagwa increasingly elevating allies such as Tagwari. Chiwenga's supporters fear being sidelined from the party's future leadership structure. As the succession battle intensifies, Mnangagwa's latest warning underscores both his determination to stamp out dissent and the fragile unity within ZANU-PF. Whether his intervention restores discipline or deepens divisions remains uncertain, but it signals that the succession struggle has entered a more confrontational phase.